Today, Charlie made a chicken roulade. At least that's what he calls it. But I'll tell you what, it looks pretty damn tasty, and it was delicious. So enjoy. Charlie,
Richard,
how are you today?
I'm doing quite well. How
All
are
right.
you?
I'm fine. I heard the rumor about you.
What was that?
You were born with a.
Okay, folks, and I will explain that right now. Because now, for something completely different. For the first time on Just Cook the Damn Food, I apologize. It wasn't supposed to be plural. I am going to be cooking something in an air fryer. Yeah. I'm gonna make us some chicken roulades.
You know, we have 42 different cooking surfaces out here, and you brought an air fryer with us.
Well, yeah.
And I have an air fryer in my house.
Well, but I know how mine works.
Okay.
I'm sure yours has about 6 inches of
I-
dust on it.
I have.
And
Oh no! Now I have no clue how mine works because Richard and Cindy use it. I don't.
Okay, well, this is one thing that I've learned to make in the air fryer that is really good.
Oh. Hi, Annie from Annie's Cooking Pot, the Smoking Pot. Sorry, Annie. She's the one who uses her air fryer all the time. I made fun of it. I love your channel.
So,
I'm getting out of your way.
you better.
Meanwhile, I'm smoking manly stuff over there.
Oh,
Got some bacon wrap crap going on over there.
fuck it. Making our wash and our dredge, and now that Richard has completely got me off, I'm gonna do a little combination. We have a little bit of seasoned panko, which got some Pecorino Romano cheese. George, you could probably
Pecorino.
correct me on the
Yeah,
pronunciation on that.
Pecorino. Pecorino Romano.
So do a little bit of that, and a little bit of just plain.
Okay. Manny Pacquiao Romano. Manny Pacquiao was a great boxer.
So
was.
salt and pepper blend.
Oh, it? And vanilla? Where's that?
So yeah.
A little garlic.
Yeah, it's been garlic powder.
Got powder.
You use the powder. You're getting plenty of salt. Onion powder. George.
It's been humid.
Yep. Ah, there you go. There you go.
For our wash, I am not as fancy as George.
No,
I cannot do 2 eggs at once on a plastic bowl.
I was good. You know, we're talking Charlie. Sorry. Charlie, tell him shut up.
Shut up, Richard. We'll also do a little spice in our wash here as well.
Nothing wrong with that.
A little of our crunchy onion powder. We take our chicken breast,
Mhm.
and because of the fact that apparently they're growing chickens the size of turkeys now,
They're huge.
the chicken breasts are huge. So what we're gonna do, half each one of these.
Do we have the Did we capture that? I think we did. I think we captured that. All right, good. Good. No, the look of disgust. Why the hell am I doing this?
Okay, assemblage. So we'll take our pounded out chicken breast.
I can get him in boots. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure.
And we have some
ham.
uncured black forest ham. Slice it out on there. Then, actually, since I'm touching chicken, if you can help me with that, George.
You got it. All over it. Provolone. Up. Okay. One slice.
One slice.
On 4 eventually. All right. There you go.
So we shall take our slice of provolone cheese. Put that on there.
George, let's change spots real quick and you take a look at the Oreos doing thing.
And then we're going to roll this up. If you can actually see it.
Just a little bit more. Okay.
We're gonna re-roll this one here.
See,
There's all kinds of distractions.
I could have rolled that, no problem.
say I can drill that.
Do we need to have a guest roller on the show today? We get that all rolled up and skewered.
Puts a little oregano in the middle of that.
Oh God, I'd have to make 50 of them then.
Yes.
Another piece of cheese.
Yep. Oh.
You said you were taking over the spot and
Well,
you're
I'm
lagging.
slacking over here. I'm doing camera work.
He's slacking. He's doing a slacker.
I'm doing camera work over here.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little dredging and stuff.
Right. Are you gonna put it directly in there? Because I might adjust a different camera.
Yes.
I got this one here.
Oh, is that
It's
right?
overhead.
Directly on here?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, because you don't.
Right now, I've got the dredging station and the deal.
Get a good coating of everything on there.
I'm sitting here like this. I'm just looking at, looking at wood.
Got wood? Rich does.
We get that slid in there. Then,
On switch.
you know, your air fryer always comes with all these recommendations of temperatures and times.
I wouldn't know that.
Ignore them completely. Turn it on. This one says chicken 350. 390 for 22 to 25 minutes.
Mhm.
Completely ignore that. We're going 390. We're going to start at 13 minutes.
Off we go.
And there we go. I'll see you in about 13 minutes.
Oh.
Look at that. We got a little crispy.
Mm-hmm.
We got a lot of melty cheese going on. Let's take a couple of these little guys. Oh, that.
Look at that string cheese.
Hey, that's your.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
That's exactly what we're looking for in this. We're going to put these back in here and stay a little warm for eating maybe. A little parsley on here. Maybe.
A little bit more Christmassy this way.
Get George over here.
All right. Yeah.
And
Cut it up.
I'm going to cut George a couple pieces of this.
Man, what's that? Oh, look at. Oh, that's juicy. Look at that.
You hear the crunch. See the ham in there. That melty cheese. Oh my goodness.
All right, I'm gonna take this one right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Rolled up ham, the juicy, juicy, juicy chicken. That looks good. Looks good.
No, bacon wrapped Oreo.
It's not.
Thank God for that.
This was not a bacon stuffed Oreo. Well, it's good. I had the chicken. Chicken itself is really good. Let's try a little bit of that ham and cheese. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. We don't use words on the channel anymore.
It's like a 4-minute chicken cordon bleu. It's really good. Tasty. Right? Damn. I mean, just look at the juice. And that's so good. Look, breadcrumbs, that's what's providing me with a little bit more of that onion, garlicky, because of the powder, right? We put powder in. So it's got a little bit of that flavor. But if you cook this without the breadcrumbs, I think it'd still be freaking awesome. Because, I mean, the ham and the cheese, they definitely, they play.
They play.
They play. They play
play
hard.
well. They play
Play
well
it hard.
together.
Yeah. Good. Mm-hmm. It's an air fryer, man. What the fuck is going on around here? You have to edit that out. I don't know if you do.
No. No, past the first minute. I don't have to edit.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. We're well beyond that. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty interesting. I guess I just need to grow a vagina. I don't know.
You were pretty close anyway.
Oh, thanks, Rich. All right. So I'm gonna tell you is this is pretty damn good, and I just cook the damn food.
Just
That's all
cook
you
the
need to
damn
do.
Yes,
food.
cook the damn food.
I'm gonna have this other part here.
Need to see us.
But doesn't really need to see us, Charlie.
It really doesn't need to see you.
Yeah, but it wants to see me. The camera likes to make love to you. Anyway,
What did you just walk into? He's walking away. He's walking away. Because Richard wants to save washing a dish.
He wants to save washing his mallet because he likes a clean mallet when he beats his meat. You're just amazing.
I will give myself credit in the edit part of the
That's
what I'm trying to say. Never mind. Never mind.
it's like in a movie,
Oh, yeah.
all the way at the bottom, they've got like best boy grip number 5 or something like that.
I'm gonna be the best man grip.